All things are difficult before they are easy. This is the quote said by Thomas Fuller. Good afternoon, everyone. Hi, I am Ankit. Again, I am here with my new video. So, today's topic we are going to understand by taking few examples. So, here we go. For newborn baby, it was arduous to walk alone. So what happened? Their parents will help them to walk by using walker, finger and many more ways. But to be alone, the walking is difficult for them. But once they learned, as the time passed, once they learned how to walk, it was just like piece of cake for them. It is very easy, very simple for them. The thing which is very difficult for them, it became very easy, or they became expert in that. Because we all know every new thing is very difficult to do in the beginning, but once we are kept doing that, it became very facile for us. When we doing a job at a new location, it became difficult for us to acclimatize in that atmosphere. It became difficult to know the rules, regulation of that office in the beginning. It became difficult to understand the work ethic in that office. But once, as the time passes, we learned all the things. We know the rules, regulation, work ethic, everything, and we became comfortable and acclimatized in that atmosphere as well. We need to understand, guys, nothing is easy on this planet. We need to put an effort. Every task requires effort. Few tasks require less effort and few requires more, but hard work requires at the end of the day. If you want to achieve something, you need to do hard work. Even when we breathe, our mouth, lungs will work for us. By only then we survive. So you are understanding that every single task requires effort. Okay, let me share an incident from my past life, and I bet on you that this incident is common in all our lives, and that incident is cycle riding. Am I right? Yes, I am right. Because cycle riding is the one thing we all do in our life. So, what happened when I'm a fresher and my father bought a cycle for me? I don't know how to ride that cycle. So, what happened? My father hold from the back, and I was shivering from inside that the next moment I will fall. The next moment I will fall on the ground. And the same thing happened to me. After few seconds, or you can say few minutes, I fell on the ground. The very moment I fell on the ground, I just said to my father that I will not ride this bicycle after that. But then my father came to me and explained to me that every new thing is odorous to us, but once we are become habitual of that, it became facile for us, it became easy for us. I am staring at him, listening at him prudently, and believe me, guys, the same thing happened to me after some time. As the time passes, I kept riding my bicycle, and that time came, the day came when I'm riding my bicycle alone. Yes, I'm riding my bicycle alone without any help, without my parents' help. So that's because of the trying. Because I know at the beginning the riding is very odorous for me, but at the end I became expert in that. The thing which is very odorous for me in the past, but now it is very simple, facile for me. We do all the new things. Okay, in past I don't know how to make a tea or coffee, but now I'm good in this. How? I practice that. In 12th exam board, when we take the first class of 12th, at the beginning, it seems that the 12th standard is very hard, very difficult. We can't do that. But as the session progresses, as the school time progresses, we understand each and every single concept, lesson, unit, step by step, and it became easy for us. And at the end of the day, when we are writing our exam, we are confident that we can pass that exam. How? It's just the time which teaches us how to learn new things. So never afraid to try new things. Always learn them. Because by learning new things, you're achieving your goals. Every single day, learn one new thing so that you keep progressing in your life. You are way ahead from those who don't. And at last, I just want to say, every new task comes with a challenge, new difficulties, but it also comes with the opportunity, because the moment we cross all the hurdles, all the difficulties, all the challenges, we became good at them. We became facile at them. I know I'm a design engineer. I want to learn SolidWorks, but at the beginning I don't know the single command of the SolidWorks. But as the time progresses, my trainer taught me, and now I am good in my SolidWorks. I'm expert in the SolidWorks. So always try to new things, and remember, all things are difficult at the beginning, but once you are start learning, it became easy and just easy for you. The batsman who is at the crease and doesn't score a single run, it is difficult for him to score run at the moment, but once he is spending the time at the crease, it is very easy for him to make runs. So always remember, all the things are difficult at the beginning, but once you are learning that things, it became easy. Have a good day, guys. Thank you.